The sea holds a secret, a bizarre, alien-like food that could revolutionize your health, supercharge your muscles, and even enhance your physical performance. Sounds too good to be true, right? But stay with us. This isn't your ordinary seaweed or seafood. It's a hidden gem that challenges everything you thought you knew about superfoods. It's packed with nutrients so unique and powerful that it could redefine how we fuel our bodies for health and vitality. Join us, and let's dive into the depths and uncover the sea's most unusual superfood. Welcome to Levitas. What are its health benefits? Imagine a food that not only nourishes but transforms. This superfood is a nutritional powerhouse, rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support every corner of your health. It's loaded with iodine, a critical nutrient for thyroid function, which regulates your metabolism and energy levels. The high levels of omega-3 fatty acids make it a heart-friendly choice, reducing inflammation and improving cardiovascular health. It's also an excellent source of zinc and vitamin C, both essential for boosting your immune system. For gut health, this superfood delivers a unique type of fiber that acts as a prebiotic, feeding the beneficial bacteria in your digestive system. Its antioxidant compounds combat oxidative stress, protecting your cells from aging and damage. This isn't just food, it's the fuel for a longer, healthier life. Can it boost muscle growth and performance? Whether you're an athlete, a fitness enthusiast, or simply someone trying to stay active, this superfood can be your secret weapon. It's rich in very high-quality protein, providing all the essential amino acids your muscles need to repair and grow. Unlike many plant-based proteins, this one matches the muscle-building potential of animal proteins, making it a perfect choice for vegans and vegetarians. Additionally, it's packed with arginine, an amino acid that boosts blood flow and delivers oxygen and nutrients to your muscles. This enhanced circulation helps you train harder, recover faster, and reduce muscle soreness. Another standout feature is that its natural anti-inflammatory compounds, which help reduce exercise-induced inflammation, help your body to bounce back after intense workouts and recover faster. Can it boost muscle growth hormones? This superfood doesn't just stop at building muscle, it could also help optimize your hormonal environment for peak performance. It's rich in magnesium, a mineral linked to increased testosterone levels in men and better recovery in both men and women. Testosterone plays a key role in muscle growth, energy, and overall vitality. Another surprising element is its high content of vitamin D, often referred to as the sunshine vitamin. Vitamin D is crucial for regulating hormones, supporting muscle function, and maintaining bone health. Plus, this superfood contains adaptogens, which are natural compounds that help balance stress hormones like cortisol. By reducing cortisol, it creates an ideal environment for your body to repair and grow muscle more effectively. How so is it taste and is it sustainable? This superfood offers a taste experience like no other, since it provides a blend of salty, tangy, and slightly sweet flavors with a firm, chewy texture. Its unique taste is not just a culinary delight but a gateway to exploring sustainable eating. Harvested from clean, cold waters, it's one of the most eco-friendly foods available, requiring minimal resources to grow while supporting marine ecosystems. Choosing this superfood isn't just good for you, it's also good for the planet. So, what is the sea's most unusual superfood? Meet the sea pineapple, a marine marvel as peculiar as it is powerful. With its alien-like appearance and an array of unmatched nutritional benefits, the sea pineapple stands out in the superfood world. Native to the waters around Japan, Korea, and China, it has been celebrated for centuries as a health-boosting delicacy. Don't let its unusual look fool you. Inside this fascinating creature lies a treasure trove of nutrients that could redefine your approach to health and performance. How is it prepared, and how much to eat? Preparing sea pineapple is an art that's surprisingly simple. Start by thoroughly cleaning it to remove any sand or debris. Once cleaned, it can be sliced into small pieces and served raw, often accompanied by organic soy sauce, vinegar, or a dash of citrus fruits like lemon to enhance its natural flavor. It's also a popular ingredient in soups and stir-fries, adding both flavor and nutrients to your meals. For beginners, start with small portions, about 50 to 100 grams, and gradually increase your intake as your palate adapts to its unique taste. Consuming it once or twice a week is sufficient to unlock its health benefits. To maximize its nutritional potential, pair it with fresh vegetables, healthy fats, and other high-quality proteins sources for a healthy food plan. Are there any risks in eating it? While the sea pineapple is a nutritional treasure, it's essential to consume it safely. One primary concern is its iodine content. While iodine is vital for thyroid health, excessive intake can disrupt thyroid function too, especially for those with pre-existing thyroid conditions. Moderation is key. Stick to recommended serving sizes to avoid overloading your system. Another risk involves sourcing. Always purchase sea pineapple from reputable suppliers to ensure it's harvested from clean, unpolluted waters. Contaminated sources can introduce harmful toxins or heavy metals. If you're pregnant, nursing, or have specific allergies, consult with your healthcare provider before adding it to your food plan. By approaching this superfood with care and attention, you can safely enjoy its incredible benefits without compromising your health. In conclusion, this Marvel superfood, sea pineapple, emerges as a nutritional powerhouse that offers a spectrum of health benefits, making it one of the sea's most extraordinary superfoods. Packed with essential nutrients like iodine, omega-3 fatty acids, zinc, and vitamin C, it supports thyroid function, boosts immunity, enhances cardiovascular health, and promotes a balanced gut microbiome. Its antioxidant properties further protect cells from oxidative stress, contributing to longevity and vitality. For those who are focused on fitness and performance, sea pineapple is an absolute game changer. Its rich protein content, complete with all essential amino acids, fuels muscle repair and growth, rivaling even the most effective animal-based proteins. The inclusion of arginine improves circulation, optimizing oxygen and nutrient delivery to muscles for enhanced performance and faster recovery. Its anti-inflammatory compounds also help reduce exercise-induced soreness, allowing for consistent training. Beyond its physical benefits, sea pineapple optimizes hormonal health, supporting muscle growth and overall energy. Their magnesium and vitamin D content within are critical for testosterone regulation, muscle function, and stress management, while adaptogens balance cortisol levels, fostering an ideal environment for recovery and growth. This delicacy is as sustainable as it is nutritious, with a taste that combines salty, tangy, and sweet notes. Its eco-friendly cultivation minimizes environmental impact, making it a conscious choice for both your health and the planet. Preparing sea pineapple is simple. Whether served raw with light condiments or incorporated into stir-fries and soups, it's a versatile addition to your healthy food plan. While its benefits are undeniable, it's crucial to enjoy sea pineapple in moderation due to its high iodine content and ensure it's sourced responsibly from clean waters. By doing so, you unlock its immense potential while safeguarding your health, making this unusual marine superfood a remarkable addition to any lifestyle. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated. It helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.